All right, we have some news just coming in from the national capital where Arvind Kejriwal has hit out over the FIR against Chief Minister Atishi. Kejriwal on the Delhi police FIR says the leaders openly distribute money, sarees, blankets, gold chains, get fake notes made, not even FIR is registered, referring to the BJP. But an FIR is immediately registered against the sitting Chief Minister Atishi ji. Aam Aadmi Party is fighting against the entire system. This rotten system has to be changed together with the public. It has to be cleaned up. Both BJP and Congress are part of the same rotten system. Amit Bhardwaj getting in more details. This after a complaint was registered. Amit, after the Chief Minister was seen using the official car for poll, which of course is a violation. What more can you tell us about this entire controversy?
Well, Sneha, this particular complaint was filed by the returning officer of the constituency, and complaint was against Delhi Chief Minister Atishi. However, what we are given to understand that in the FIR, the name of Delhi Chief Minister Atishi is not there. But Arvind Kejriwal has chosen to attack the BJP and Congress over this FIR, registration of the FIR. And Arvind Kejriwal has said that FIR has been registered against a sitting Chief Minister, while no FIR has been done against the leaders who have been openly distributing cash in the national capital. So clear, indication towards BJP leader Parvez Verma, against whom Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party have already filed their complaint with the Election Commission of India, accusing Parvez Verma of distributing cash and planning to organize a job camp. So Arvind Kejriwal saying that leaders who have been openly distributing cash, no FIR has been registered against them. However, sitting Chief Minister, FIR has been registered against a sitting Chief Minister. Moreover, is calling the entire system rotten. And what needs to be underlined here, that while he's attacking, he's in attack mode, he's also attacking on not only BJP, but also the Congress party, saying that Congress and BJP both are part of the same rotten system. Meanwhile, the place where I'm standing, Atishi...
In a second from now, Amit Bhardwaj getting in those details, and we're staying with Delhi as far as these developments are concerned.